5 baby sound machine you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Hatch Rest Baby Sound Machine, Night Light, and Time to Rise Sleep Trainer, White Noise Soother, Toddler Kids Alarm Clock, Night Light, control remotely via app. Number 2. Yoga Sleep Hush Portable White Noise Machine for Baby, 3 soothing, natural sounds with volume control, compact for on-the-go use and travel, USB rechargeable, baby safe clip and child lock. Number 3. Oma Smart Baby Wi-Fi Monitor, White Noise Sound Machine, Night Light, Temperature and Humidity Sensor, Wireless Talk and Listen, App and Wi-Fi enabled video camera, Baby Essentials and Baby Registry. Number 4. Planet Pro Smart Baby Monitor and Wall Mount Wi-Fi HD Video Camera, Sleep Coach and Breathing Motion Tracker, two-way audio, sound and motion alerts, night light and night vision, includes breathing band. Number 5. SimShine Baby Monitor, Smart Baby Monitor with camera and audio, 2000 Baby Camera Monitor with night vision, sleep analytics and two-way audio, AI Baby Security Camera Blue.